Alex and Ben go to a cafe with some friends. Alex buys 4 cups of coffee and 3 cups of tea for a total of £6.95. Ben buys 5 coffees and 2 teas for £7.20. Work out the cost of a cup of coffee and a cup of tea. So this is a simultaneous equations question because we've got 2 unknowns. We've got the cost of a coffee, I'll call that x, and the cost of a cup of tea, call that a y. So we know that 4x plus 3y, so 4 coffees and 3 teas, costs £6.95. Just for ease sake, I'm going to call that 695p rather than £6.95, just so it's just a whole number. 5 coffees and 2 teas cost £7.20 or 720 pence. Right, I'm going to eliminate the I'm going to do the y's. You could do the x's, it doesn't matter. I'm going to eliminate the y's, so I want both of these numbers to be the same. If I times the top equation by 2 and the bottom equation by 3, then this will become a 6y and that will become a 6y. So equation 1 becomes 8x plus 6y equals 695 times 2, which is 1930. The bottom equation, equation 2, becomes 15x plus 6y equals 2160. Now I've got these to be the same, I am going to take these equations away from one another. Because if I do 6y, take away 6y, then these y's will disappear. Basically the signs in here are the same, so we want to subtract the equations from each other to get rid of these 6y's. I'm going to do the second equation, take away the first equation, so I get a positive number of x's. I don't want to do 8x take away 15x, because that will give me a negative. So 15x take away 8x is 7x. 6y take away 6y is gone. 2160 take away 1390 is 770. Divide by 7, so x is 110, or £1 10 pence. If we now take that and substitute it back into either one of these equations, it doesn't matter which, I'm going to do the second equation here. So I've got 5 lots of x, so 5 times 110 is 550, plus 2y equals 720. Take the 550 away, so 720 take away 550 is going to be 170. Divide that by 2 and we get 85p. So the cost of a cup of coffee is £1.10 and the cost of a cup of tea 85p.